there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel that makes sure you spend your money wisely and avoid those "I wish I hadn't bought that" moments. Today, we've got a drone showdown between two sky-high contenders, the Tech Wonders drone with camera and the TOMZON P5G GPS drone. Buckle up, because this is going to be a turbulent ride. First up, let's talk about the price tag. The Tech Wonders is coming in at a wallet-friendly $129. Perfect for those of you who spend all your money on avocado toast and pumpkin spice lattes. On the other hand, the TOMZON P5G is priced at $159. That's an extra $30, but hey, maybe you can skip a few Starbucks runs to make up for it. Reviewers appreciate the affordability of the Tech Wonders, noting its great value for the price. Meanwhile, the TOMZON P5G is seen as a solid investment for those willing to spend a bit more for additional features. Now, for the most important feature, the camera. The Tech Wonders boasts a 1080p HD dual camera that can rotate 90 degrees. It's like having a mini paparazzi following you around. But wait, the TOMZON P5G flexes with a 4K ultra-clear camera, also adjustable by 90 degrees, and a 120 degrees wide-angle lens. It's like having a Spielberg in your pocket. Reviewers love the image quality of the Tech Wonders, but the TOMZON's 4K camera is frequently highlighted as superior for serious photography. How long can these birds stay in the sky? The Tech Wonders claims a whopping 50 minutes of flight time. That's almost enough time to binge-watch an episode of your favorite show. Meanwhile, the TOMZON P5G offers 36 minutes with its two batteries combined. Reviewers find the Tech Wonders' flight time to be a standout feature, making it ideal for extended use, while the TOMZON's flight time is seen as adequate but not exceptional. Let's talk about how easy these bad boys are to fly. The Tech Wonders is like the drone equivalent of training wheels, perfect for beginners and kids. It's got features like one-key takeoff, landing, emergency stop, and headless mode. Basically, it's harder to crash than to find a parking spot in a deserted lot. The TOMZON P5G, though, is also beginner-friendly with its high-precision GPS and auto-return system. Reviewers note that both drones are user-friendly, but the Tech Wonders stands out for its simplicity, while the TOMZON impresses with its advanced GPS features. What about those extra bells and whistles? The Tech Wonders can do 360 degrees flips and rolls, and it even has gesture control. Make AV sign or wave your palm and it'll snap your photo. It's like having a drone that responds to your dance moves. The TOMZON P5G, however, is all about that professional vibe with follow me mode, circle flight, and custom path flight. Reviewers appreciate the fun and interactive features of the Tech Wonders, while the TOMZON is praised for its professional-grade capabilities. Finally, let's talk portability and durability. The Tech Wonders is built like a parkour enthusiast, ready to dodge obstacles with its 360 degrees obstacle avoidance feature. On the flip side, the TOMZON P5G is lightweight at 238 grams and comes with a snazzy waterproof carrying case. Perfect for those of you who like to drone and dash. Reviewers find the Tech Wonders to be durable and resilient, while the TOMZON is noted for its portability and convenience. Overall, reviewers find the Tech Wonders drone with camera to be a fantastic starter drone with great value for its price, impressive image quality, and ease of use. On the other hand, the TOMZON P5G GPS drone is praised for its superior camera quality, professional features, and portability, although it comes at a higher price point. All right, smart shoppers, that's a wrap. Both of these drones have their strengths. The Tech Wonders is a great starter drone with an unbeatable flight time, while the TOMZON P5G offers superior camera quality and professional features. Which one will you pick? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on our latest comparisons. Product links are in the description. Until next time, fly high and buy smart.